Hi there! Want to keep your nails looking amazing? In just 2 minutes, I'll share professional nail care tips and useful English phrases for your next salon visit. In Anglo-American salons, punctuality and hygiene are essential. Everything is clean, organized, and professional, just like you expect in the UK or US. Here are 3 quick tips. First, wash your hands thoroughly. Second, file nails evenly. Avoid rough edges. Third, apply thin layers of polish or gel, letting each layer dry. Follow these steps for salon-quality nails that last longer. When visiting a nail salon, try these phrases. I'd like a manicure, please. How long will it take? Follow us on Facebook for more weekly nail care tips and tricks.